What's up everybody, Tony here with High-Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at what I think is one of the best tempered glass screen protectors for the brand new Pixel 7 Pro. Also coupled with one of the best film screen protectors as well. Now I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to reviews to you guys. Now I will be showing you installations for both these screen protectors as well as doing a scratch test for the tempered glass screen protector. And then at the end I'm going to let you know whether or not I would recommend these screen protectors. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, and then here is Whitestone Dome's UV Gen film. Comes with 2 installation packets, an installation guide with a squeegee, a UV light, and 2 film screen protectors. So before we begin with your UV LED light, you will need USB Type-C connection to power it. You can use maybe like one of your phone's power sources and the cable. Just plug it into here and you can use it. I think it uses like 5 volts, maybe 1 amp. All right, so first we need to clean off our screen. Then we'll go ahead and dry it off. Then we're going to take our guide, make sure you put the nubs face up and use the side with the little C in it. Going to push that in the bottom of our phone, just like that. Make sure it's flush. We're going to take our little foam here. Go ahead and put this at the top of our phone. Make sure you clear off any dust from the screen. We'll go ahead and open our screen protector. Make sure you don't do this when there's any sunlight beaming down on your screen protector because it'll prematurely cure the adhesion. So we're going to go ahead and take our screen protector and peel off the back sticker. Then we're going to line the holes up with our guide. Just push down on that. Then we'll hold the screen protector by the little tab on the top here and then put it into place. Then we'll take our squeegee and kind of just squeegee out the bubbles that we see. Then we're going to go ahead and take our squeegee, put it behind the line here just like this and lift up on the back portion, pull it back, and make sure the screen protector goes up and over the phone just like that, and you can use the tab to lift up over the guide. And we'll go ahead and pull our guide out. And we'll go ahead and turn it around and do the same thing. Put our squeegee behind the line here, lift up on the tab, and then squeegee forward so the protector goes up and over your phone. Just like that. And you can squeegee out the middle line just like that. Then what you're going to do is just take your finger and push down on the edges just like this. Now I would take our little wipe and just press extra on the edges to make sure that they stay down. Now we're going to peel off the front screen protector very carefully, making sure you don't peel up the screen protector underneath. And then again, just wipe down the edges so that make sure they're staying down. Then we're going to take our UV light and we're going to cure the screen, top, middle, bottom, each for 60 seconds. So just press in the button twice and it'll automatically time it for you. All right, so let's go and take a closer look here. Looks pretty nice. There are no bubbles. Touch feels pretty smooth, just like glass. Let's test out the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor seems to be working just fine. No issues there. Touch, nice and smooth, working perfectly fine. There is a little cutout for your camera, so it's going to work perfectly fine with your facial recognition. Yep, no issues there. Let's go and put it in our case. Seems to be case friendly as well. Comes right up to the edge on the bottom of the case here and on the top. Looks very nice. As far as fingerprints goes, does pick up some fingerprints, but not too bad. As you can see, there is an ever so slight line in the middle. You really can't even see it. This is probably the lightest line that I've seen of the film screen protectors. Everything is working really well. Again, it's not lifting. There are no bubbles anywhere. There's no lifting in the edges. This is a pretty nice screen protector. So if you're intimidated to do the full liquid adhesive, this is the next best thing. So the screen protector seems to be working pretty well. Everything's working. Screen looks beautiful, nice and clear. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one a thumbs up. And we'll see how it goes when we try to take it off. No problems there. Does not leave any residue behind. All right, and then here we have Whitestone Dome's premium glass screen protector with liquid adhesive. So here we have the UV LED, and to make this work, you're going to need a USB Type-C cable and some sort of power source, whether it be your phone's power brick or a power bank. You can use both of those with this. Here we have 3 liquid vials of adhesive. We have some installation wipes and tools. Here's our guide. You get this little plastic piece as well. It looks like a screen protector for our rear camera. Get some covers for all the ports on your phone. And 2 tempered glass screen protectors. All right, so first you're going to want to open up that little packet and get out 2 of these little felt pads. Then we're going to go ahead and stick them in on the sides of the guide here. You can take out the little bridge too. Next, you're going to take your black masking stickers, and we're going to stick them on the sides here, covering the buttons, the ports on the bottom, your little SIM card slot, and your little microphone on the top here. So when you're done, your phone's going to end up looking something like this, where all your ports are covered with those stickers. So in case any liquid gets out, you don't have to worry about it getting into your little ports and buttons. Next, we're going to go ahead and clean off the screen of our phone really well. Then we'll go ahead and dry off the screen. Then we'll use our dust stickers to get rid of any dust. Then you're going to take your guide, make sure the Pixel 7 Pro little name up at the top here is by the camera of the phone. Then we're just going to simply press this down over our phone. Make sure it clicks into place. Then we're going to take this little plastic piece and we're going to put it into place right here. It's going to go upside down just like this. It'll clip into place. Then we're going to take our other little sticker, we're going to peel it off, and we're going to place it over here, and this is where our speaker grill is going to get covered by this little plastic sticker. I would use a little squeegee or something to kind of make sure that this sticker is pressed down on your phone, so no liquid adhesive gets into the speaker grill. And it's going to end up looking just like that. Then we're going to take our bridge and we're going to place it over the 2 little holes right here, just like that. Then we're going to take our vial, we're going to undo the little pink part first. Then we're going to go ahead and tip the vial into the little hole on the bridge here. And then you're going to undo the little black top and let all the liquid adhesive come out. Once all the adhesives come out, you can put the cap back on. Now we'll go ahead and remove the bridge. Then you're going to take that little black plastic piece and we're going to slide it into the slot right here, just like this. So first you're going to take your screen protector and we're going to peel off the little underside sticker, just like this. Then we're going to place the bottom of the screen into the little slots, just like this, and we're going to let it rest right on top of this little black piece right here. Make sure it's resting against these 2 little posts on the bottom here. So now, very importantly, we're going to press down on the little guide here, and the bubble is going to move to the middle. We need to make sure that the bubble is totally perfectly in line in the middle here with the middle of the bubble, and then we can start to release the little tab here. If you need to, you can kind of manipulate this by picking it up because your table might not be level. Not a problem. Just make sure that once you push down, the little bubble ends up in the middle here, and it'll touch the screen, and that's when we're going to start to pull out our little tab here. So I'm going to press down on the back here. You can kind of help it if you need. Again, wait for that bubble to reach the middle, and then slowly pull out the guide. Now you just need to wait for the adhesive to totally cover the whole screen. Make sure you don't touch the screen protector while it's doing this. Then you're going to get your UV light, and we're going to do a curing for the top, middle, and bottom, 15 seconds each. All you need to do is press the button in one time and it'll turn off by itself. Alright, so once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take our phone out of the jig, and then we need to clean it up because it looks like there might be some adhesive on the sides. And then we'll do our second curing. So we'll just go ahead and press on the bottom of the phone here, and then just lift up on the jig. And you can take your alcohol wipe again and we'll clean up on the sides. It looks like it did a pretty good job at keeping everything clean. I don't see any problems. Go ahead and just wipe it down just a little bit. All right, and then once it's clean, we'll go ahead and do our second curing. This time we're going to do 60 seconds for the top, middle, and bottom. Just press the button in 2 times. All right, so now we can go ahead and take the stickers off the side of our phone. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the screen here. Looks pretty nice. It also looks like it is case friendly because it leaves like a little gap at the bottom of the phone here, as well as on the top and on the sides. So now we'll go ahead and test out our fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor seems to be working pretty good. It's nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone itself. Very nice, nice and clear. It also has a little cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about it not working with your facial recognition. Works perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and put it in our case. Very nice. It comes right up to the edges of the case. There's still a small gap on the bottom of the phone and at the top. So it is case friendly, very nice. Feels really good. Again, fingerprint sensor working fine. I didn't even have to redo my fingerprints. Now as far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but you can easily just wipe those away. Yeah, minimal effort. Just kind of wipes away really nice. So this screen protector came out absolutely flawless. Looks really nice on the phone. There's absolutely no peeling. There's no bubbles. There's nothing stuck underneath the screen. It came out looking really nice. All right, so everything is looking good so far. Let's go ahead and test out the scratch resistance. All right, so first we're going to start off with level 5. Then we're going to move on to a level 6. And then finally a level 7. All right, so let's go ahead and check that out. So as you can see, there's no scratches at a level 5. There are a little deeper at a level 6 and even deeper than that at a level 7. So scratch resistance is pretty much on par with all the other tempered glass screen protectors. All right, so installation was pretty easy, and as you can see, the end result was flawless. Fingerprint sensor works. It feels just as smooth as the glass on the phone. It's clear, and the scratch resistance is on par with other premium tempered glass screen protectors. So if you're looking for a really nice tempered glass screen protector to protect your brand new Pixel 7 Pro, I would definitely recommend this screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you're wondering what happens when you take this off of the screen, I would definitely recommend trying to use like a pick, a credit card, or like a squeegee or something like that. Don't make sure you don't use anything metal. So like I just did, I took my little rubber squeegee here. I just went ahead and stuck one end underneath the screen protector, and then you can kind of just move it down the line here, and it'll lift up off of your phone. Then you can just lift the screen protector off the phone, and as you can see, there's absolutely no residue left on the screen here. All right, and then here is that film screen protector for your rear camera. So first you want to go ahead and peel off the number 1. from the underside protector, just like that. Then you want to use the guides on the side to put it down over your lens. So I think that looks pretty good. Then all you need to do is just press it down with your finger here. Get out any bubbles you might see. Then you can take a squeegee or a credit card or something. We're going to go ahead and put that behind number 2. We're going to lift up and then push out over our camera just like that. Press that down. Then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Go ahead and put the squeegee down and then lift up on number 3. And then push out over our camera. Just like that. Then you can press it down. Then there's another little protector on top of that. We're just going to go ahead and peel that off. It's nice and clear. You almost can't even tell that it's on your rear camera, so it doesn't interfere with your lenses, but it does protect that metal on the back. This is definitely something nice that they give you, especially since a lot of people have been saying that the rear metal here on the camera scratches very easily. So I definitely do think that these 2 screen protectors are worthy of a recommendation, whether you want film or if you want the best tempered glass. Whitestone Dome is going to have you covered. So again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.